packing up the tent here at River Camp. Today, I thought today was going to be pretty flat, but looking at the map, we've got about 1,000 meters of descent and then about 1,000 meters of climb. So it's going to be yet another big day. But we are going to arrive in Simikot later, which is should be a nice big town. It has an airport which we're going to be flying out of later. We're going to go to Hilsa and then come back here to fly back to Kathmandu. So this is the last big town of the trek, and we're going to hopefully be able to resupply with some more noodles and chocolate and whatnot. It's interesting, some people do all the way from Punka Kola to Simikot in one day, and that would be crazy. That would be like 2.6 kilometers of climb and something like 2 kilometers of descent in one day. Not ideal, not what we'll be doing. But we're just getting ready and we're just going to leave in a bit. The trail today was absolute killer. First half was pretty simple, descending down from the campsite to the river, and it was nice and cool. And then the second half was it was a 900 meter climb in the baking sun. The sun was right on us for the whole climb. It was just absolutely unbearable, completely unbearable, and it went on and on and on. But here we are. We just arrived in Simikot, which is, well, we thought Gamgadi was going to be our first slice of civilization, but actually it turned out not to be at all. It was a mess. But this is Simikot, and we've checked into this lovely hotel which has hot shower. Look at that, an actual plumbed in hot shower, which is very unusual. In fact, I think it's going to be my first hot shower since we were in Kagbeni on the 10th of August, and it's now the 11th of September. So it's going to be more. It's actually more than a month since I've had a hot shower. We've had a couple of cold showers since then, but first hot shower in a month. So we are going to have a few of these. Cheers. Lhasa beer, which is excellent beer, and we're going to relax, and we're going to have a rest day tomorrow, and hopefully we don't have 3G internet, which is a shame. But we've got Wi-Fi here. I don't know how good the Wi-Fi will be, but it's very nice. Look, there's even wallpaper. This is amazing. So we're going to relax.